Escovitch lionfish, my first time cooking. Keep on watching. Here I have some lionfish. I already clean off the fins, clean and scale, and I wash with vinegar and lime. And I'm just going to season, and the season I'll be using will be on the screen, and I'll try to link them in the description box below. I'm going to season this, fry them, and then we make our Escovitch sauce. This is my first time cooking or cleaning lionfish. I was very skeptic about it. I take away all the heads because when I do my research, I see how dangerous these species were. So I had to do what makes me comfortable, and here they are, well seasoned. And for my Escovitch is carrot, onion, bell pepper, garlic, hot pepper, and pimento seed. Yes, so just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you at we're going to pour it over our nicely fried fish. This is best served at least 10 minutes after. Yes. So we have come to the end of another video. I want to thank all my returning supporters. Thank you guys for all the support. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to become an official part of the family. So please drop me a comment, tell me if you have ever eaten lionfish before. And thanks again for watching, guys. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe if you haven't. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.